Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to connect Major Star to the Bitget wallet. Alright, so let's begin with the video. In order to claim your major airdrop, you need to first connect your wallet with it. And if you want to connect your Bitget wallet with it, then you just have to first get that wallet connect option. But here on the homepage, you won't be able to see that option. In order to get that option, tap on the profile option at the bottom. And here you will have your profile picture. And here in your profile, you will be able to see your rank, as well as the number of stars that you have there. You will notice that you have the wallet option as well, so tap on wallet. And in order to connect your Bitget wallet, just tap on it. And if you can't see it here, you can also tap on view all wallets. So select the Bitget wallet, and now it will redirect you in your Bitget account, where you just have to wait for some time until it shows you the connect wallet option. So tap on Connect Wallet, provide your passcode or some other information, and then your Bitget wallet will be connected with it successfully, and it will redirect you on a Major Star, where you will be able to see your wallet address in the wallet section. So that's basically how you can connect Major Star to the Bitget wallet. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.